Welcome to the monthly market update on You and Your Money. Here's Lawrence Hale, Principal Managing Partner and Chief Investment Officer at WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors.
Well, this is a quarter we'd probably rather put in the books. It's the worst quarter for at least U.S. financial markets since 2022. We saw the stock market in large part decline, mainly due to policy uncertainty. So there's a lot of uncertainty around tariffs and trade and what's coming down the line. Obviously, as we were talking about before we got on air, there's a lot coming out of Washington, which we're going to talk about. And that, uncertainty makes markets jittery. And that certainly has been the case this year. So we've seen the S&P 500 index down through last Friday, just under 5%. The Russell 1000 growth down about 10% year to date. So think the companies that were really humming along over the last few years, delivering strong performance, that's an index that gauges those. On the brighter side, we've seen sort of more run-of-the-mill, boring companies that make money, but aren't necessarily the ones that make the headlines all the time, do quite well. So we've seen the Russell 1000 Value Index up about 1%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average down just under 2%. International markets, totally different story. They're up about 9% year to date. The MSCI EFA up 9.25. And bonds, we've seen bond interest rates retreat a little bit, and that's actually given us some positive performance in the bond market, up about 2.5%. So not all bad, but definitely a change from the last 2 years. And we're continuing to keep our eye on what's coming down the line and how to adjust.
For more information regarding wealth management and customized financial planning with WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors, please visit WHZwealth.com. WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors offer securities and advisory services through Commonwealth Financial Network, member FINRA SIPC, a registered investment advisor. Fixed insurance products and services offered through CES Insurance Agency. They practice at 697 Pomfret Street, Pomfret Center, Connecticut 06259 and 392A Marrow Road, Tolland, Connecticut 06084. They can be reached at 860-928-2341. WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors do not provide legal or tax advice. The tenured financial services team strives to support clients in achieving their financial life goals while providing absolute confidence and unwavering partnership for life.